Browning Trail Cameras presents HUNTERSlinkTV in association with Don't Choke Archery, the True Shot Coach, Banks Outdoors, Antler Xtreme Nutritional Deer Products, Hawk Tree Stands, Duke's Small Batch Smoked Meats, Alps Outdoors, and Browning Camping. HUNTERSlinkTV is also brought to you by these fine sponsors. We're proud to have the following partners. I've Got It Made by Daniel Sexton is the official tune of HUNTERSlinkTV. To download, visit danielsextonmusic.com.
It's February 8th and it's time to start preparing for next deer season. It's time to start doing some supplemental feeding. In Missouri you can't bait during the season, but in the off season you can do supplemental feeding. So I got a Banks 275 pound feed bank that I'm going to put out today, and I've got 250 pounds of corn, which is just the right amount to mix with this Antler Xtreme Power Crunch. So this 5-pound bottle will mix into 250 pounds of corn. So that's what I'm going to do. I got this red tub here, and I'm just going to mix this up and take it out to the woods with me with my Banks feeder and get that set up and start my supplemental feeding program. I'm going to throw some of my Browning trail cameras over that and hopefully take some inventory this winter and see what we got for next year. So that's on the agenda today. So we'll get going here and hopefully get this up in a couple hours. I'm going to put my Banks feeder right here in the gate plot. It's the same area that I killed Gimp this year. You'll see that later on in the break, but he was really about 30 yards from this exact spot. And I killed Foggy the year prior. You're going to see that on this season of the break too, just over this ridge, maybe another 60 yards down this ridge. So it's a great area. They're traveling through here quite often. I've got a ton of Browning trail camera pictures of deer moving through here. So hopefully they'll find this feeder really quick and they'll utilize it. And in Missouri, as I said earlier, you can't feed, you can't bait during hunting season. So the great thing about this Banks feeder is it mounts on a 4x4 and it'll just slide right off. So come hunting season, I'm going to leave this 4x4 on the ground obviously, and I'm going to make a licking branch off of it and set up a mock scrape right here. So that way I can use it. They're already used to coming here to eat, so it should work out just great. I mean, they're going to be coming here anyway, so hopefully they'll hit that mock scrape and I'll be able to use it as a hunting tool as well. Just a couple more inches. We need our hole to be 3 feet deep, and we're using an 8-foot 4x4, so obviously 5 feet out of the ground, and when that slides over it should be at the perfect height. So let's get a little bit more out of here. I'm going to put just a little bit of chat in the bottom of this thing just to give it a little bit better base. I'm going to use the rest of that and put it around the post before I put the dirt in. And then we'll pack it in real nice and get this post nice and solid. I just fill it up. Just make sure you tamp it. That's the most important thing for a solid post. Check my level one more time. Good deal. Wind is brutal. Lid won't stay open. There we go. This tree's a little bit too big for the straps that come with these Browning trail cameras. I've got a tree mount. I'm just going to screw it into the tree, and that way I can set up my camera right here on our feed bank. Just get one on the other side here, and we will be in good shape.